Hello everyone. Today we are going to derive a formula for the strain energy in a simply supported beam when it is carrying UDL for the full span. Let us read the question one time. Determine the strain energy in a simply supported beam having uniformly distributed load acting for the full span. Take the span of the beam as L. Using the data, we can draw the diagram. The length of the beam is given as L. The beam is carrying UDL for the full span. Let us keep the points A and B in the ends of the beam. Now let us calculate the reactions in this beam. This simply supported beam is having the symmetrical loading conditions. So RA and RB will be equal to the total load by 2. Here the total load is W into L. Because when the UDL comes, we have to multiply with the distance to get the total load. Finally, we are getting RA is equal to RB is equal to WL by 2. Also, we know the formula for strain energy due to bending 1 by 2 EI integration of m square dx. For calculating the strain energy, we have to make sections in this beam. In this beam, UDL is acting constantly for the whole length of the beam. So only one section is enough. We can make the section anywhere in the beam. The limits for the integration is 0 to L. So U is equal to 1 by 2 EI integration of limits 0 to L m square dx. Now let us make the section. I have made the section randomly here at the distance of x from the point A. We have to calculate the moment about the section, that is mx. We are calculating the moment about the section from the point A. In this case, we are moving right hand side. Clockwise will be positive, anti-clockwise will be negative. RA is acting towards the section in the clockwise direction, so it will be positive, and the distance is x, so RA into x. The UDL is acting towards the section in the anti-clockwise direction, so it will be negative. When the UDL comes, we have to take the distance and the distance by 2. So x into x by 2. We have already calculated RA, that is WL by 2. We can apply that. W by 2 is common for both of the terms. We can take W by 2 outside. So mx is equal to W by 2 into Lx minus x square. In the formula, we can apply the value of mx, that is W by 2 into Lx minus x square. Then we can take the constants outside. W by 2 is the constant. When we take it outside, we have to square it. So W square by 4. 4 into 2, we will get 8. Here we can apply a minus b the whole square formula. The formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now let us make integration. When we integrate x square, it will become x power 3 by 3. When we integrate x cube, it will become x power 4 by 4. When we integrate x power 4, it will become x power 5 by 5. Now we have to apply the limits. No need to apply the lower limit 0 because the whole term will become 0. Only apply the upper limit L. Instead of x, we have to apply L. After applying L, we are getting this. We can take L power 5 outside. Then we can add these three values. When we add, we are getting 1 by 30. 8 into 30, we will get 240. Finally, we are getting the strain energy. U is equal to W square L power 5 divided by 240 EI. Now we are going to end this session. Thank you for watching this video.